Hey guys, today I'm looking at the Odin Innovations M12 Sidewinder Speedloader coming up. So guys, Mike from Templar Airsoft.com, thanks for watching. Today I'm taking a look at the Odin Innovations M12 Sidewinder Speedloader, crank handle thing. Very good. You may remember over a year ago, I think it was SHOT Show 2015 over in Vegas, they showed the prototype of this. Basically speedloader where you can stick your mags in and all you do is fill them up, and that's your mag done. So as you can see, they're very, very quick to use, and you know, a couple of seconds to do a whole mag. None of this with your thumb. I hate those speedloaders. These aren't available in the UK as such yet. Just Cause Airsoft provided me this one for you guys, so I could do a review for you guys. But they've had to buy them in themselves as a buyer rather than a supplier. So they are quite expensive at the moment to get them in the UK. I do believe they're currently looking for options to supply these in the UK, but as of yet they're not quite available yet. But as you can see, they're easy to use. Nylon reinforced body, it says on a thing here, I think it says. Yep, it's got 1600 round reservoir, and it will fit in a double M16 pouch. And it comes with a 1-year warranty as well, which is pretty good. A couple of problems with it though, which I've spotted. You can't back wind the handle, which means you've got to effectively wind it around and dump rounds out, which, you know, not a very good feature in my opinion. Also, it does say according to the instructions, it has a ratchet system in there, which means that when the mag is full, the ratchet should slip. Now that's it there, but it's quite stiff and it almost feels like you're breaking it. I don't know if that's going to wear down over time, but you know, it's not overtly obvious that you're hitting the ratchet there, in my opinion. I don't know if there's anything they can change on that, or you know, if that's just because it's new. Only time will tell for those of you that have got these. But apart from that, very, very good system. Even with that ratchet, I've done a couple of mags and it's trying to get the ratchet to engage. It's been a little bit too stiff, and I've felt like I'm going to break the handle off. So I've kind of just taken the mag out, assumed it's full. So even if the ratchet doesn't engage for whatever reason, it's still, you know, a good speedloader. Very, very good. So they are quite pricey. I'm not even going to go into details of price because you have to get them shipped over from the US at the moment. But I'll put a link down where you can probably order some from in the description, and obviously I'll update you guys on when Just Cause Airsoft get these in stock, hopefully. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these this new speedloader, you know, and the new types of speedloader that come out. You've got the Elite Force one that's out there now, the pump shotgun thing, and all over Facebook you've got videos of these electronic ones that are being made. You know, what do you think of these new sort of speedloaders? Personally, I like the idea of this over the Elite Force one because it's just easier, it's less fiddling around. And it fits easily into a mag pouch. It's got a 1600 round mag capacity. But let me know what you think. You know, are you sticking to the old pistol magazine speedloaders, or the M4 sort of size ones, or are you dying to get your hands on one of these? If it's your first time to my channel and you like what you see, I would love to have you subscribe. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys that does hit that subscribe button. So, you know, if you don't mind and you like what you see, go for it. And that's it for this week. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.